Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sportibong zikaMalambo Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila emakhaya. Thi ngingasahlala udabeni ngoba vele nibonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Sivele sibuyele endaweni yesigameko le eEgypt, Suez Stadium. We also ukuthi the first half Kaizer Chiefs played like they didn't want to because there was nothing promising from their counter attacks. Their build-up was poor. It's like they had the game plan of sitting back and allowing Al Masry to enjoy playing the ball. Because you would see from players like Abu Pulemori, he was off, but they allowed him to play first half and Bamkana 10 minutes a second half. So we can tell Guti, I don't know what their game plan was to at least salvage a point, or it was a matter of trying to absorb the pressure and then second half and then we go at them, because you could see with the players like Abu Mduta was off in this game. He was playing in moments. A player that showed Uguti he wanted to play was Utel. Utel made sure Uguti he makes us tick when we try to play the ball. He's relaxed, he's cool, he's calm, he's calm and composed on the ball. But Bobo and Uguti, a player like Udupris was not visible. You could see Uguti Begunzima because they were not playing according to his strength. Number one, you know that you are playing against the tall players. Why force playing on long balls? Because you know what you will come out second best every time. You would see what is a long ball I 7 The one thing that was needed was simple. No canny ball, frustrate them and then ushama true ball. But it was difficult because number one, there was no sense of urgency. If we are trying to rush, we are not precise in our passing. It makes it difficult for us because a counter attack for us, it changes from a transition and then we have to defend now because we are not precise, and the way we were playing it didn't allow us to cause any threat to our opponents. A player like Ugodaro angeka go revel because most of the time Mela's a collective baller in our own half. That was how the first half was, because you could see Uguti they tried Uguti Babe come on the ball when the whistle started, but they couldn't hold it because they saw Uguti Al Masry was trying to gain a momentum. The minute they've gained momentum, that's why Kaizer Chiefs was starting to panic in terms of passing, in terms of trying to control the game. So we could see Uguti no, kahle bona emqondweni bese Uguti noma singathola point. And then let's go to second half. Second half you concede an unnecessary goal. Laphana uBrendan Peterson nanoma beyangaphuma ngepalini lo mjida vele ibhola beselimshile, but he committed and bengekho into besingayenza, because one thing about our defense today, they were ball watching. All the goals came from ball watching. There's no way ukuthi i-winger le-Al Masry can receive a ball surround ama-player 3, but still he's able to make a pass that will dissect our defense up until Ashia Brendan Peterson exposed. That's why he committed himself and made that foul by penalty. We tried ukuthi sishaya ama-subs and ama-subs wethu athiye ukuthi li-1 nje elingathi lithikile maliqeda uku-introduce umfundo Vilakazi, because he needed just only 3 minutes to give an assist to Solomon, someone that wouldn't think ukuthi he would score for you, but he played his heart out. I'd say ukuthi and our fullbacks made sure ukuthi they play for us. Centre back pairing yethu, I think ukuthi it was a matter of communication, but Miguel he had a good game. But one thing Miguel is umbulalisa ukusebenzisa izandla, hands off every time when we win, we have a corner. Instead of ukuthi sikwazi ukupitalize siyajudge because usebenzise izandla uyabuya noma bashaya long ball, instead ukuthi ahead ufuna ukumanhandle ama opponent. That goal we considered the second goal, it was uncalled for. It would have been understandable if he missed the ball with left foot because that's his weaker foot, but with your strong foot to right, and in terms of recovery you were slow foot, you didn't realize ukuthi kahle kahle ama surroundings wakho ukuthi kwenzakalani. So you can tell ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs kahle kahle their main plan was to allow Al Masry to come at them and then they will try to retaliate, because they scored, we didn't waste time ukuthi so equalize. Same thing, they scored a second goal. That's when we tried ukuthi sihlale serious, we were making sure ukuthi we are putting pressure on them, we are playing on their half. So I don't know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs will rely on Umfundo Vilakazi and Umduduzi Shabalala for them to play, because umuntu was not playing, ayikho into besiyenza kuzokwanceda ukuthi ku-introduce uVilakazi. That's when Kaizer Chiefs started to seem like they are dangerous when they are going on a counter attack. So yinto emele siyifaka nje ukuthi okay, kahle kahle mele senze sure ukuthi ama-players wethu lawo awalimali, players like abo-Ox, players like abomfundo, uShabalala, because even uVelebhayi njengoba bekashilo ukuthi akazi wa-travel and bobonga ukuthi in terms of experience bayayikhahlele because every time ufuna ukureceive bola ufuna ukuthena and of which sometimes you just trap pass player lakho uyakushayela 1-2 yakho uyavela spacing, but njalo ukuthi wena uzofuna ukuthena angeke isipane because udlala nabantu that they know ukuthi what they are doing, they know how to deceive the referee and they make sure ukuthi whenever you receive the ball you don't have enough time to decide ukuthi uzoyenzani. It's only ama-teams that are few that are able to play in tight spaces. Flavio Silva ungenile and he seemed confident because he was able ukuthi akwazi ukwenza i-build up play for us because isikhathi bekusese 1-1. He tried ukuthi naye abe threat going forward, but there was no assistance, there was no manpower going forward because we are back leader but still usafuna ukuhlala defensively and make sure ukuthi you maintain the structure, because if besika add ama numbers ngabe siwathulela ama goals because besidlala ne team that didn't pose any threat. The only thing besibulala were our mistakes and poor recovery, because in some moments you could see ukuthi besifuna ukuhamba sonke bese siphinde senzeni basibamba off guard, and because of alertness ka Cross we were able ukuthi sikwazi ukudeala namanye ama situations, but this game sizikwaze ngowethu. Bengamelanga sidliwe la, but I'd say ukuthi it's a learning curve. We'll understand ukuthi when you're going to play ama CAF inter-club competitions, this is what you are supposed to do. Awuyi laphana ngokuthi wena uyalazi ibhola, but you must understand ukuthi what is at stake. So shayiwe 2-1, hopeful ukuthi against iZamalek nge-date kuzoba nomehluko, because this Al Masry didn't pose any threat, to be honest. Sikwazi ngowethu, but we move.